If you are trying to break into data role and Snowflake is on job description, these are the 15 questions you are most likely to get asked and exactly how to answer. First question, what is Snowflake and how it is different from traditional database? Snowflake is a cloud-based data warehouse platform. Unlike the traditional databases, it has two separate layers, okay? Storage and compute. Meaning you can scale your processing power up or down without touching where your data lives. It's run on cloud platform AWS, Azure or GCP. Second one, what are three layers of Snowflake architecture? We have three layers, okay, in Snowflake: storage, compute, and cloud service layer. Storage, wherever physically our data lives; compute, virtual warehouses, where our query runs; and the cloud service is the brain of the Snowflake that handles authentication, query optimization, and metadata. Also, they scale independently. Third question, what is a virtual warehouse? This is otherwise called as compute power, not the data storage. It's the compute engine that runs your query. Think of it, it's a cluster of services you spin up and down as needed. You pay only for what you use, and it has nothing to do with where your data is stored. Fourth one, can you scale a virtual warehouse? How? Yeah, there are two ways. Scale up, meaning you choose a bigger warehouse size for more power per query, or scale out, meaning you add more clusters of the same size to handle more users running queries at once. Fifth one, what is time travel in Snowflake? It is the access to historical data up to 90 days. Time travel lets you query or restore data as it excited at a past point in time, useful for recovering from accidental deletes or updates. Retention can be ranged from 1 to 90 days depending on your edition. Sixth one, what is the difference between time travel and failsafe? Time travel is something you control and query yourself. Failsafe is a 7-day period after time travel ends where only Snowflake support can recover your data, a last resort, not something you'd access directly. Seventh one, what is zero copy cloning? Zero copy cloning is otherwise called as instant copy, no extra storage cost. It lets you to create a full copy of database, schema or table instantly without duplicating the actual data. It's commonly used to spin up DAO or test environment cheaply and quickly. Eighth one, what are micropartitions? Snowflake automatically breaks tables into small compressed storage units called micropartitions. This helps behind the scene and is a big reason Snowflake queries are fast. Ninth one, how does Snowflake handle semi-structured data like JSON? Snowflake has a special data type called variant that can store JSON, Avro or Parquet natively. You can query nested fields directly with dot notation and use flatten to unpack arrays or nested objects. Tenth one, what is the difference between copy into and Snowpipe? Copy into means it's a manual load or otherwise we can say batch loading. Snowpipe is for ingestion, continuous ingestion. Okay. Copy into is used for bulk batch loading, run manually or on a schedule. Snowpipe is for continuous near time loading. It automatically ingests new files as they land in a stage. 11th one, what is a snowflake stage? So, snowflake stage is otherwise called as waiting area for files before loading. A stage is a location, internal or external, like an S3 bucket, where data files sit before being loaded into Snowflake table or after being unloaded from them. 12th one, how does Snowflake handle security and access control? Here in Snowflake we are using RBAC, role based access control. Snowflake uses role-based access control. Instead of giving permission directly to a user, you assign permission to roles, then grant role to users, clean, auditable, and easy to manage at scale. What are stream and task used for? Stream is for CDC, track changes. Task is for automate plus schedule. A stream tracks changes, insert, update, delete, that means DML operation on a table like a change log. A task schedules SQL to run automatically. Together they are commonly used to build simple data pipelines. 14th one, how is Snowflake priced? Pay for storage plus compute separately by the second. You pay separately for storage and for compute. Compute is billed in Snowflake credits consumed per second while a warehouse is running. So, auto suspending idle warehouses saves money. 15th one, why would a company choose Snowflake over Redshift or BigQuery? Snowflake is a multi-cloud data warehouse, easy scaling, simple data sharing. So answer is it works across AWS, Azure and GCP. Storage and compute scale independently and near instantly. And it makes secure data sharing between companies or teams very simple compared to other platforms. Those are the 15 questions I did bet on your interviewing for an entry level Snowflake or data role. If this helps, drop a comment with role you are preparing for, and I will make a follow up video with harder, more technical questions. Subscribe if you want more. Thank you.